ज्योमेट्रिक मीन में आज देखेंगे हम वो पहले वन मीन। तो लेट GM be the one mean between two numbers x and y। x और y के बीच में एक मीन है GM। Therefore x, GM and y are in GP। और GM by x is equal to y by GM by the property of BP series। T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2 by cross multiplication। GM square is equal to x into y। और GM is equal to square root xy। For an example, find 1 GM between 2 and 8। 2 और 8 के बीच में एक ज्योमेट्रिक मीन क्या होगा? One ज्योमेट्रिक मीन GM that is equal to square root 2 into 8, square root 16, that is equal to plus minus 4. Both answer, plus 4 and minus 4, both. It means 2, 4, 8 are in GP. Also, 2 minus 4, 8 are in GP, दोनों। इसलिए इसका मीन हो गया प्लस माइनस 4। ज्योमेट्रिक मीन्स अब आ रहे सेकेंड में। एंड ज्योमेट्रिक मीन्स बिटवीन टू नंबर्स, दो नंबर के बीच में एन ज्योमेट्रिक मीन क्या है? चलिए G1, G2, G3, so on Gn be n GMs between two numbers x and y। x और y के बीच में n ज्योमेट्रिक मीन्स क्या है? तो G1, G2, G3, so on Gn। It means therefore x, G1, G2, G3 and so on Gn and y are in GP। Here y is n plus 2x term. There are n means here, one x and second y. Y is n plus 2x term. Therefore, y is equal to n plus 2x term, nth term. Formula Tn is equal to a r n minus 1। n plus 2x term, a r n plus 2 minus 1। a here x, r n plus 2 minus 1, or y is equal to x, r n plus 1, dividing by x on both sides, x cancel, or r to the power n plus 1 is equal to y by x। और r is equal to y by x power 1 by n plus 1. r कॉमन रेशियो निकल गया, therefore g1 is equal to x into r, x into common ratio, first term into common ratio, that is equal to x into y by x whole power 1 by n plus 1. g2 is equal to x into r square, x into r y by x whole power 1 by n plus 1 square, so 2 by n plus 1. g3 is equal to x r3 x r y by x whole power r3, so 3 by n plus 1, and so on. gn is equal to x r n, that is equal to x r y by x